One Yakwanche, believed to have sold the land to the miners, heckled the team.
At this particular moment, Mitmaka said, Ghana, the issue of Galamsey there, Ajinsemu. Obia no bit must stop Galamsey. At this particular moment, Galamsey Ajinsemu. Yebeko Wasaa Amendi ewo Western region. Wasaa Amendi ko Penyah Forest ehona River Tano eda. Asase yantam 161 acres of land yamutu eyekoko land. Oma say asase nyina ma River Tano eda ho. Abusia River Tano eho aka. Galamsey akotie so na ekromhofo ebo nyoso. Ama omu de petition ako police for our commanders won't mean ya hwe na police force so ebo anan eko honom no Galamsey etimi a master carried atwache police for na so abuo mu femfenam aha ye Penyah block media mesere wa se any die mu obe like video na one obe subscribe button na so na be click bell notification na connect for latest updates na be kire wadwe ama me ewo comment section mesere wa se obe share video na ma wumi aso ensa aka because this is a very serious issue. Onim se Ghana ade baako a abeye kwankro yare baako a ebetisi Ghana mu a yenya anu aduro da eye Galamsey enye covid-19 enye coronavirus enye HIV/AIDS. Galamsey yasesa aban but still Galamsey kwa na ekoso amemu obia eba o promise Ghana for so obi tu Galamsey ase. I remember kofo eba o ka se be stop Galamsey wantimi Atames eka best topic Galamsey wantimi. Mahama take over Atames eka best topic Galamsey wantimi. Ekufa se ka best topic Galamsey onko de bobu wantimi. And at this particular moment minim nipa kro betima ba Galamsey etu betwa. Yenko Wasaa Amendi ebusia ko Wasaa Amendi se sie ya. Me no ka se ye Galamsey ekoso e wo hon ma se asase yantam 161 acres of land eye koko cocoa cropping land. Galamsey asay ni nyina.
This is Penyah Forest, a forest that is actually growing most of the trees that we cut for export for our foreign exchange. And as we speak right now, the devastation being caused by Galamsey activities here in the Wasaa Amendi district of the Western region is hampering, or should I say, reducing or depleting the forest that we have here at the Penyah community. And as you can see over here, this is illegal small-scale mining, which is actually basically taking away most of the forest reserve over here. I'm told that the activities of Galamsey over here hasn't only cut down or brought down the trees we have over here, but rubber plantations that we have within the catchment of this very 261 acre plot of land have all been destroyed, including other farming activities like cocoa that have been lost to this Galamsey. And look here, you can see some of the illegal small-scale mining equipment that they use in washing the gold over here being left here. Looking around, you see most of the activities over here or the earthworks that have been done are all looking very fresh, and it's a clear case that they got wind of the fact that we are actually coming here, and so they decided to move most of their tracks. But the earthworks that have been done here are all looking very much fresh. And lucky for us, we have one of the aggrieved owners of this very plot of land that have been so much depleted here in the Wasaa Amendi district of the Western region, particularly in the community called Penyah, and to tell us what for him has been the trend in terms of the activities of illegal small-scale mining over here and the damage that they are actually causing.
The ekoso Penyah asase su sisia no eya dia eye adepapa kra Galamsey for asase no nyakoko e wo so enua e wo so timba de bibia wo su bia ne banche niema e wo su bia nsu e wo su nyina no Galamsey for ase no nyina ya ka report omuntie eti no ebsrese aban wo su onfa nani mehwe ahemfo mo ha eni mpanfo bi wo ha ne ya ka omuntie ye ba ha pe no omutututuo no mo de nsekan toa so mbekua ye sere wo mo pa da be na eni Beijing company any omo maka nyina no omo stop Galamsey adwuma na omo ye na ha no ayesraban se ontu ho na o minister ya you ampa NDC ye nyina ye to aba wa ha se asomdwemla Galamsey no enko we the same minister say omo modna entua na mo sisi amfa soja fo megu ha anya sa Galamsey say ye nyema nyina ye nsuo ye bibia wa ha.
Another native, Richard Joe Penyah, shed light on the extent of devastation, stressing how police in the area have failed to intervene in the illegal mining operations.
I'm a principal member of Adumanya land. When the Galamsey started, we approached the police people that they should come in. We even wrote to them that they should come in so that they will come and stop the illegal mining. But upon all our effort, it couldn't work. I quite remember we once went to the commander. The commander said, oh, she cannot come and stop them. He said he cannot come and stop them. I said, when you look at the way they devastating the land, it's so terrible. But upon all the effort that we made, they said the land is in the hand of Beijing company. And one Ibrahim, and here too was sold to the Bena company, of which they are destroying the land. Look at the trees; they've destroyed all the trees. There's River Tano here. River Tano is just close to where they are degrading the land. They are doing the Galamsey. They polluted all the water. We are telling the Minister for Land that he should come in so that he will come and stop the illegal mining that is going on at Adumanya land.
What you see here are some of the equipment that are still on site doing the destruction, and these two excavators, as you can see over there, is being manned by a Chinese man whom I'm told is one of the operators. We'll try to get closer to listen to him if he has also something to say to us in terms of the operations that they are doing over here. What I can see now is that I think he's trying to fix the excavator, but I mean generally these are some of the equipment that they are using to devastate the Adumanya forest, where several cocoa farms and rubber plantations have been destroyed by this Chinese-led company that is actually doing a devastation over here. I mean, if the cameraman can actually get close to him, let's see that these are some of the people who are destroying our forest reserves over here, and this is something that is actually coming as a worry to people. And look here, we see the River Tano also very much close to where the devastation is going on. You can see that the water body over there, I'm told, is the River Tano here in the Adumanya area of the Amendi Forest district of the Western region, which has also been so much polluted by come. I think the police officers over here are calling. They are trying to speak to the Chinese operators over here. If the cameraman can actually get close to them, let's see what they are actually doing with them. Yeah. Hi. Can we talk to you? Can we talk to you? Officer, can we talk to you? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
We for engineer, man.
You are engineer.
My office.
You are an engineer.
Yeah.
Which office?
What?
Which office? Office.
Future.
Okay. So what do you do over here? What do they do over here?
Oscar boy. Somebody talk about check Oscar Vida.
Uncle, what can you also tell me? What do you do over here? I think that's an issue of Chinese and their usual language barrier, which they will tell you they don't really understand you. But I mean, as we speak right now, these Chinese, I'm told, are the ones fixing some of the broken down excavators that is actually doing the devastation over here. And that is a clear case of these foreigners leading some of this devastation that we see when it comes to the depletion of our forest, our reserves here in the western region. And the activities has so much impacted on our water bodies that is causing a lot of difficulties with people having to struggle to even get water to drink or use in their household. And we'll get closer to the plot of, the devastation going over there.
River Tano, Tete River Tano. And this young one school. I remember back at primary school. Yes, young major rivers in Ghana near River Tano. It didn't, but I said, and rivers are near body in this young one school. I was saying, about so 100, only about 30% and a 70% you know condemn. Galamsey Yamakwai ama Galamsey. I say nina. Galamsey I say rivers nina. Na around 7 say Galamsey echoes ever Wasaa Amendi no. Police for any ensemtrophobic ever and I call was and kaida umumu kudin komona umu you know mo amwata say adina mo yan enye timunyai. Omu kwa ebusia Galamsey for no atwa she nso agomu femfuna aye say omu gangalia ya okranche ene ne dom atwa she police for so abuomu na nyi sem ne say yet much woman.
To see the impact of it on water bodies.
While attempting to capture more detailed shots of the destroyed cocoa farms and the heavily polluted Tano River, a mob of Galamseyers, alerted by a security guard on site, swarmed the news crew. The attackers forcefully seized cameras, microphones and mobile phones. Despite the presence of a 4-member police escort, the Galamseyers, led by one Aaaww, believed to have sold the land to the miners, heckled the team, insulted them and even used his pickup truck to block their exit. The team was only allowed to leave after 7 p.m. following police reinforcement. However, the Galamseyers demanded the deletion of all footage before permitting their departure. The standoff continued until the team reached the Asankregra District Police Station, where fortunately Aaaww was arrested and official statements were taken.
As we speak, the devastation actually continues, and until government actually details the rights, enforcement team to come here at the Penyah forest area where 261 acres have actually been destroyed by Galamsey activities, the devastation of the forests over here, the cocoa farms, and even rubber plantation, as well as the River Tano in the catchment of this area, will continue to persist.
Aaaww Ghana ni bebunu China ni ana ni nketenkete aba Aaaww ejinemu bo China ni no ho ban esene oman ni yidie arosem ne se timemufo no ye yanze sa ya adwene a aban bebre aban bia mu ontimi ntu Galamsey aseda until say ye timemufo benya adwen say ya ye benya adwen mu foforo ye enye sa Galamsey ye be kan he ye de be ye campaign campaign so tasrasa enkose hwe abusia besere mo amokan bi ewo mu no para se ndc aban ye se amona mo aba mu mo na mo kan bi ewo mu eni di mu a Galamsey mo hye yebo para se ye nyina ye promote Galamsey ye bon ho dawuro ndc hye yebo mu ni ehwamo eni di mu a mu ni ehwamo obetuma kire wadwene e wo comment section aha Penyah media.